In front of me is POCO X8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Start by opening Settings and scrolling to hit Bluetooth. Now to activate it, use this switcher at the top right corner and just wait for available devices to show. When they do, you need to tap on the one you wanna connect to and wait for the pop-up. In it, click on this icon next to allow access to your contacts and call history to enable or disable this option, and then select Pair. Now wait for the other device to accept your connection request, or if you're trying to connect to another smartphone or to a tablet connected manually on the second device. Either way, as you can see, mine were successfully connected. To manage this connection, you can tap on your device, the paired one, on the left, to reconnect to, for example, your headphones, or you can click on this icon on the right, I guess, the tiny one, and manage all of those options however you wish, including unpair. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!